Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check memory of iPhone thanks to the serial number. Okay, so first of all we have to open this website, HardReset.Info. You can make it on your PC or on your smartphone. And after that we have to input serial number of iPhone that we want to check in this pool. That's how it looks in my case. That's serial number of the iPhone that I want to buy. Click right here on the search and wait a little bit. After that, the memory we can find at the top with the full name of the device, with the color and the family number, and also with this tab. There's also a lot of other information. So if you want to verify the device that you are going to buy, I can recommend you this website. It's totally free. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.